Hello everyone, welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable fast boot or fast startup in your Windows 11 computer. Now what you need to do first is click on this search icon here and then click on control panel, but if you don't see control panel here, you can just simply type in control and control panel will appear here, and then click on it. Now from here, make sure that category view is selected and then click on hardware and sound. Now under the power options, click on change what the power buttons do. Now in here you can see that fast startup is enabled and I cannot disable it from here. Now what you need to do is click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and that will allow you to disable fast startup, and you can just now click on it and that will disable fast startup, and then click on save changes. And we have just disabled fast boot or fast startup in our Windows 11 computer. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.